Today we're making a film. I feel something like. Excuse me. Hello guys. I feel something wrong. Oh dear. Is there witches outside? Back to you. Hello. I just drank some Coca-Cola. Ooh, I think I drank too much. Here you go. Is there zombies outside? I sure love money. Back to you. If a robot got right here, I'm gonna hit him with a stick. And thank you. Oh, you thought that was money. Oh, okay. Oh, you're laughing at him. Let's give him a big round of applause for that. And goodbye. Hello. Today we're making a movie about what? I feel something in my... Excuse me. Hi, ruler, but... Oh, I feel something in my bone. Oh, dear. Let's see. Oh, what's going outside there today? Hey, I'm going to do that. Oh, you're doing the rocket one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So what you say I do this? No, that's not the one, Luca. This one. Oh.